Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in my studio, or really my corner of the office in my apartment, and I'm going to be taking some photos today, so I thought I would show you how I do it. So let's get started. So today's prop is this Holga camera that has two lenses on it. It's able to take cool photos like this here, where it's like a double exposure, one photo on each side of a negative, because this is a film camera. It uses 35mm film. And here are some of the figures I'll be using today. First photo is Romeo and Juliet because, duh, Valentine's Day. So you can't really tell because the camera won't focus, but her boobs are out. Yeah, just nipples out for no real apparent reason. See, a lot of times the figures will fall over, so I have to use like a special wax to hold them in place. This stuff right here. Now, I had it forever, that's why it looks really dirty. So just put like a little tiny bit on the foot that will be actually touching the surface of the prop. Gotta make sure it's in the center of her foot so I don't have to Photoshop a whole lot of weird globs out. Next, put Romeo in his spot. He already has some wax on his hand, so I'm able to just stick him on his ladder. I'm going to try and stick him at a slight angle just because I think it will look better that way instead of it just being straight on. So I need to move her so that she's facing him properly, and done. So here's the finished photo. I don't know why it looks kind of blown out and weird on here. I think something happened when I uploaded it into my video editor. I don't know. But if you want to see the actual good version, it'll be on my Instagram. Links will be down below. Now I'm going to use this sumo wrestler figure. This is actually one of the first ones I ever bought. I haven't gotten to use him in a while, so I'm really happy to get to use him today. He already has some wax on his foot, so I'm just going to place him on the shutter button so that it looked like he's taking a photo, like he's trying to press down the button. Of course, I will forget to actually open the shutter, of course. So it's sort of like he was trying to take a photo with the lens cap on, but whatever. So here's the finished photo. Honestly, I think out of all of them, this was my least favorite. Mainly because of I wish there was some way to make it more obvious that he's pressing the shutter button. Unfortunately, there's really no way I can do that. I thought about maybe having my finger also in the photo or something and half pressing it down maybe. Or, I don't know. I feel like this might be an example of a photo idea that just doesn't quite work. This is also another figure that I've had for a really long time. So for some reason the bicycles are harder to get the wax on. I don't know why. So I have to use a little bit more on the bicycle figures than I do on the Juliet from earlier. I want to place her down here on this little ledge. However, her hands are sticking out too far, so I'm going to have to place her on the top here. I think this photo is actually my favorite from all the ones I've taken today. I like this angle of the camera. I think it looks really cool. It's more visually interesting than it just being straight on, I feel like, personally. Also, I like how her outfit matches the camera as well, so it's kind of more cohesive. And I like how there's only a little bit of the camera is actually in focus, super clear focus. And I just think that's more visually interesting, personally. I also was able to crop this one at more of a portrait sizing, so it shows up a little longer on someone's feed on Instagram, which is, the purpose of these photos, to be posted on Instagram and stuff. So here's another figure. It's a cleaning lady. I use this one a lot on like photos of my sunglasses and stuff because it looks like she's cleaning a window. So I'm going to have her try and clean one of the lenses. However, she's a little short, so that one's not going to work. I only kept this one in here just to show like not everything works out, and you just got to move on. Here's a guy with a jackhammer. I'm going to have him also on the shutter button and trying to look like he's taking a photo, but I will also, once again, forget to open the shutters. Here's the first photo from this one. I like this one okay. Once again, I really wish I could make it more obvious that he's pressing down the shutter button or something, so I don't love this one. I also think having the whole camera in the photo like this, straight on, it makes it where you don't notice the figure as much, and I really feel like the figure should be more focal point than this. So that's why I like this one more, because it's a little more zoomed in on the figure, so you notice him a little better. Also, once again, it's that same sizing, which I prefer for Instagram. So that's the end of my video, all done taking photos and everything. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, please like and comment. If you want to see more like it, please hit that subscribe button. Bye!